Today I'm back again with another unboxing video. Today I have two packages from China. Okay, so let's start opening the first one. So this is just the quick sling attachments for the rail. This is for my Lone Survivor project, so I will use it on that. This was $3.30 and free shipping. Yeah, so it was kind of a good price. I mean, it's nothing special, just a sling swivel. Okay, so let's move on to the other package. Okay, so this is a little bit bigger. So let's open that one. This package cost me $56.04 and I had to pay another extra import tax, which was 12 euros. So this whole package was about $70. So let's see what it is. So I got myself a scope. This is also going for my Lone Survivor project. Yes, this looks nice. Yes, so this was the unboxing for today. I really like this scope, looks nice. So keep an eye on my Lone Survivor project and we'll see this when I mount it on that one. Yes, until next time.